What do you think you should be doing with your life? We have talked about your dreams, your passions, and your talents. Let's go above these and look at your life from a larger, grander scale. What do you think you should be doing with your life? Each of us is on earth for a reason. We all have a purpose. You didn't become a lawyer by accident. Even if ultimately you change careers, you didn't become a lawyer by accident. I don't care what your religious or spiritual background is, what your beliefs are, or how random you think the world is. I'm telling you, I have a purpose. We all have a purpose. And most importantly to you, you have a purpose. This isn't a motivational speech. This is the truth. Look around. Don't take my word for it. Look at family and friends. Look at colleagues. Look at the news and biographies. Aren't you struck by what some of them are doing? By what they are accomplishing? By how they are changing lives? You know that they are fulfilling their purpose. And you are asking yourself, what's my purpose? When I ask you about your purpose, the question resonates because you have asked yourself that before. We have all asked ourselves this question: why am I here? What am I supposed to do with my life? What can I change? What will I be remembered for? How will my obituary read? You know you have a purpose because during your life, at least once, but probably multiple times, you have asked yourself, what am I doing here on this planet with the time I have to do something meaningful? You have admitted by now that you have dreams, passions, and talents. The natural next step is to ask, what's my purpose? Let's explore that. What do those who know you think you should be doing? I would never suggest adopting someone's purpose as your own and deferring to them about what you should be doing with your life. What I am recommending is asking yourself what others have told you about what you should be doing, what others think your purpose is. I'm talking about your close friends and family, those who know you, who have grown up with you, who have seen you at your best and worst, and sometimes know you better than you know you. First, did they see you as an attorney? If so, practicing what, where, doing what, using your skills to do what, saving the world, saving it how? Have any of them said to you, hey, by the way, I totally see you doing X. Why aren't you doing X? Hey, so and so, come over here. Don't you see this person doing X? And they're like, absolutely, you're perfect for X. Think about the times others have seen your future when it remains blurry to you. Again, I'm not asking you to think about those times your mom insisted on you becoming a doctor or a lawyer because she wanted to brag about you. Really, brag about her and what a great job she did raising you. I'm asking about those moments when you did or said something that may have even surprised you. When you said or did it and others said, you know you were born to be X, not to do X, but be X. I'm not talking about a job. I'm not talking even about a career. I'm talking about your destiny. Where who you are and what you do and what you say are all continuous, and you can't tell where something ends and another begins. So getting back to the question, what do those who know you think you should be doing. What big things do you want to do? What's on your wish list of things to do that you haven't done yet? I'm not asking about a trip you want to take or a vacation you want to go on. I'm talking about a big accomplishment you have in mind. As a lawyer, do you want to try a case, try more cases, try certain type of cases, win more cases at trial, argue before an appellate court, argue before the Supreme Court, become managing partner, go beyond your legal career? What else do you want to accomplish? Do you want to become a leader of a charity? Start your own charity. Lead an organization. Start your own. Start a separate business, a restaurant, a legal support company. Turn a hobby into a business. Amateur photographer into a professional one. Turn a passion into a reality. Becoming a high school coach, college referee, or start a sports league for lawyers, both in your profession and beyond it. What are the bigger than life things you want to do? Start your own magazine, brew your own beer, do a documentary with your family. You have thought about this. Don't tell me you haven't. What are these things you have been thinking about? What one dream do you want to chase? Let's go beyond the big things you want to do. Let's look bigger. Let's pull all our cards on the table. What one big dream do you have? How do you want to change the world? I ask that intentionally. Usually, our big dreams aren't selfish. Yes, some of us have a dream of striking it rich. But for many of us, our big dream goes beyond amassing a lot of material goods. It's more than the big house or fancy car. I'm talking about chasing a game changer. What would be called a business? In business as an industry disruptor. Maybe it's a product or process or an idea that is related to legal field that will change how we provide legal services or train associates or offer CLE or handle disputes between parties. Maybe it's more altruistic and it changes how we view, assist and empower the forgotten members of our community, the homeless, the elderly and the poor. This one big thing that will require all your imagination, heart and effort to make it reality. This potential game changer that no one has thought of or has thought of but failed to conquer it. This one big thing you want to embrace, pursue, wrestle with and subdue. That's your purpose. Affecting change for the benefit of many. That's a life filled and driven by purpose. I know I have asked you repeatedly to write whatever comes to mind down in your journal, but this takes time. This takes reflection and meditation. This one big idea has the potential to change the lives of so many. Something like this takes time to germinate in your mind and heart. Take that time. This one thing, if you make it a reality, may live on and be remembered for centuries. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.